How to factory reset Windows 10 PC or laptop without password. First of all, prepare a USB and connect it to a running Windows computer. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant, then select Tools in the top pane and then hit Reset Windows Password from the menu. In the pop-up window, click Next to begin to create a WinP bootable media. Here we take USB boot device and choose your prepared USB to create a bootable USB. Click Proceed to move on. Note that the USB flash drive needs to be formatted so you will lose all data on it. If there is important data on it, please make a backup and redo. If not, click OK to continue. When the bootable USB is created successfully, unplug it and connect it to your laptop. Boot it from this USB and you will see AOMEI Partition Assistant appear automatically. Then click Reset Password. Select the Windows system you would like to operate and click Next. Then select the account you would like to operate and select the feature you want to use. Remove account password or reset account password. Here we choose remove account password and click Next. In the next window, just confirm you want to remove the password. Then when you can access your system normally, navigate to the settings, tap on the update and security, then click on recovery in the left pane. Then tap on Get Started under the Reset This PC section. Then the system will guide you to finish the factory reset. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.